These look like thorns too, like serious thorns. Nah, that should be alright. That's a nice yard right there. I wonder if I can get across here. That looks pretty. I bet right there I can. People worried about corona. I'm about to catch poison ivy. Yeah, I bet I can get across right there. Let's see what we got. What the famous last words of so many people. Yeah, it's a little deeper than I thought. So I'm just gonna walk the bank. Look at me making smart decisions. That's what the coronavirus has done. Make people make smart decisions. There's gotta be another place to get across though. Look at that. Look how it looks green right here. That almost was a natural bridge. Huh? What this is. It's a nice little chill spot right here. Yeah, no stuff. All right, let's go. See the trail. Somebody's been riding back here. I hope it's nice tomorrow. I think I'm gonna spark the grill up. Should have sparked it today, but I had to handle some business. Most peaceful sound in the world right there. It's who you are. Running water. Water in motion. Water has memory. Water is vibration. Oh yeah, sweet. If you got a place like this somewhere around you, man, go check it out. Nice. I'm hoping I run into a deer or two. As long as they don't run into me. I see a trail. There's this little tributary. Sweet. This is amazing. Gotta love nature. Gotta respect it, man. Hopefully you do anyway. It's who you are. What's that down there? Walk with me, people. The little squirrel rummaging. Think about how much life goes on that we don't even see. Oh, there's deer right there. Oh, that's dope. I didn't know if y'all got them or not. They just took off though. There were 3 deer like straight through there. Let me be quiet. I need to come back here more often. I mean, it's all kind of life popping right here. Let's see if I can find them again. All I saw were the whitetails bouncing. Pretty nice size too. There were so many in the park yesterday, it's ridiculous. Was it yesterday? The day before. Where'd you guys go? I wonder if that's a beaver dam. That's sweet. That's so dope. They've been right beside me this whole time. Didn't even see him. I'm not gonna hurt the dude. I don't have my bow. I wouldn't shoot him anyway. I really just want to pet one of them. There he is. He's right through there. You can't see him. This is amazing. Look at that. How dope is that? If you can't appreciate that, I can't even rock with you. I wonder where that other went. I can't believe they was just walking right beside me the whole time, just peeping me, waiting for they move. You learn a lot from animals when to make the right move. That's what people need to be doing right now with this quote unquote pandemic. Sitting back, man. Sitting back. Move. Make your next move your best move. Don't be stressing. Have confidence in yourself. Think about all the stuff you done made it through so far. Look, you can see the deer tracks. Anyway, think about everything you made it through. Think about how far you come. You didn't get this far just to get dropped off here. So, trust that. See how this nature just keep on moving? Something get in the way, just go around it. What Bruce Lee say, man, be water. Don't fight the current. Flow with it. Flow with it. Flow over the rocks, man. You got it. I'm loving it. I'll be spending more time back here, you can believe that. It's right off the back porch, man. Can you believe that? From the projects to the creek, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gotta believe in yourself. Believe in the Creator. Whatever name you call it. You can't believe in it, say you have faith in it, then start doubting and worrying. You gotta see it. The Creator lives in you. Let it wake up and live. Let it give you anything you want. But you can't give nothing to the person that don't know what they want. If you want it, ask for it. You have not because you ask not. Remember that. Listen to that. Just take a minute. Look how far it came. Look how much farther it got to go. But look at the energy it has in the present. Be water. Blaze a trail. There's always a trail that came before you. Find it. Find the right trail. There's plenty of trails to find. I just got the one, y'all. Low battery. So I'm gonna see y'all on the flip. In the meantime, be water. Peace and love. Oh, and wash your hands.